Hi, in this video I'll show you about our 10 button keypad. So right now you can see here's the product and we have 10 buttons here, and each button we can use a different labeling. And on the back side, and we have a R2 switch and the line cable with the PoE function, and also a DC port here. And right now over this line cable, then connect to a 8-port PoE switch. On this PoE switch, we have a white line cable connect to this PC. So with this PC, we can use the web GUI to do the key settings, command settings, and all the details here. And from this PoE net switch, and we have another line cable connect to our BYOD system. So on this BYOD system, basically it can support 4 inputs: 1 VGA, 2 HDMI, 1 Type-C, and a line cable, which is connected to the PC. So later we can just use this one to control the switchings. And now we have 2 HDMI outputs to these 2 TVs here. So right now we can just use this 10 buttons pad to control the switchings. Like right now, if we press the button 1, so like right now, if we press the button 1, it's going to show in one source, and we can use this button we program to recycle the 4 sources. So switching to the HDMI 2, this one is the VGA, this one is the HDMI 1, this one is the Type-C, and the second one is going to show as like 2 pictures on one screen. Also can use this one to recycle. This one is showing as a code view, and it's going to show like the 4 sources. And we can just press this button to recycle. This Type-C is here, Type-C is here, and Type-C is here. And this one is showing the VGA source, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, Type-C. This one is to show the home page of the BYOD. This one is to show standby. So this one is power back. Okay, thank you.